could jump in and start editing right away, but you definitely want to take some time to go through your clips and do things like organize them into events or rate them. It makes your life much easier as your iMovie library continues to grow. One way to organize your media is to create different folders for different types of footage. For example, you can create a music event folder to store all your music, or you can create a still image folder to store all your images. Let's create a still image folder as an example. Go to the library panel and then click on New Event. Let's rename it to Still Images. And now you can see that we can import additional media into the Still Images folders, or we can drag media from other events folders to the Still Images folders. So I already imported everything to the shark dive footage, and I just need to find all the still images, which are these two. And I can select all of them and then drag them into the still images folder. And now if I go to the still image folder, I will find all my still images. And if you go to the shark dive footage, you won't see them again. Another way to organize events is through merging events. For example, if I want to merge these two folders together, all I need to do is to drag the still image one into the shark dive footage. Now you see that these two folders have been merged. So that's how you can organize events. In the next movie, we will talk about how to rate clips.